Hello everybody, Beth the Norwex lady here. Today we're gonna talk a little bit about the Norwex laundry detergent strips. So these came out a couple years ago and they are totally insane. I love them so much. Now I am a tried and true Powerzyme laundry detergent fan. It's my absolute favorite, but these laundry detergent strips are a close second. And I'm gonna tell you a little bit about why I love them, why I think they're great. So first of all, they come in this cardboard container. So it's recyclable, there's no extra plastics, it's not super heavy, you don't have to, it's just really great and functional for somebody that has to go to a laundromat or your laundry's in the basement and you have heavy detergent. So this is really great for that. Think of like kids in the dorm. So I have a niece that I send these laundry detergent strips to because it's really easy when she has to go do her laundry. Also, I love to use these for my kids when my kids do their own laundry, because when they have to measure out powder, they tend to overdo it and then they go through way too much detergent. So what I like about the strips is that there is no measuring required. So let's dig in and talk about these a little bit. So they come, like I said, in this cardboard pouch, and then they are a stack of these. They're paper thin. They feel kind of, I don't know, there's a little bit of a texture to it, kind of leathery feeling. And there is a scent. It's not an extra added chemical fragrance. And no, your clothes don't really smell like anything when you use that. So if you love the smell of dryer sheets and fabric softeners and really strong detergents, you're gonna wanna use dryer balls with essential oils on them. But so they're really great. So this is how they come. Now on the package, it's gonna tell you to tear it in half and to use, two will be for, two of them. One strip will be 2 loads. Ha, I got it, okay. But what I highly recommend is to tear that half, because you tear them in half, and then to tear them in half again. So this quarter of the strip is all you really need for a full load of laundry. I'm telling you, just put your clothes in, throw it on top, and away you go. It's super easy, super convenient. And when you do that, you're getting 73 loads of detergent out of the strip. So I think that's not bad. That's about the same as the Powerzyme detergent. So awesome. Okay, so the other reason that I love these and the other time I use these is I love to travel. If you follow me on Facebook, I'm usually off doing something, and I always take the detergent strip with me. I put them in a little baggie, put them in my purse or in my car, in my suitcase, because they're great for on the go. First of all, I don't have to take a powder detergent with me through TSA. They don't like that when you have mystery powder in your bag. I learned that a few times. So this is a lot easier to get through security, a lot less questionable, and they're really perfect for when you're staying at an Airbnb and you want to do some laundry. This is all you need to take is a couple of these. They're perfect. If you're going on a beach vacation and you want to get the chlorine or the sand or whatever out of your swimming suits, you can just hand wash your suits or whatever you need to right in the sink. When you lose your luggage, sometimes you have to launder, your under things because you only have one pair, so you launder them overnight, right? Like this is really great for that. And the last little tip I'll tell you is it's great as like a little stain stick. So if you're at a restaurant and you drop like a meatball or a chicken wing on your shirt, right? And you have a barbecue stain there, you can just dip your finger in your water, get it wet, and you just take a little corner of this laundry detergent strip and you can usually get a stain out when you're at a restaurant. So I think it's great to always have on the go. This is one of my favorites. I love them a lot. So give them a shot and let me know if you have any questions. All right, have a good day. Bye.